Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk about importance of English language in our life. As we all live in India and we have lots of native language, and mostly we talk in Hindi, but we have regional language also. But nowadays scenario has been changed, and we need the English language everywhere. Like if you want to work in a company and uh, want to book a ticket and want to get knowledge by the Google, you you need we need to know uh, English language. In our country, uh, uh, we get 50% jobs by English language. In foreign country like USA, UK, uh, and Japan and Germany and many more countries have lots of work in in their in their states. So sometimes they need to outsource their work, and they outsource the work from their country to the India, and they require the English language for to complete this task. So by this we can they generate employment in our country, and they require English language. In some job they need that we can understand the only English language, and in some job they need that we have to know how to write English, how to speak English, and how to talk in English like that. And if we now technology is increasing day by day, and companies are making the software and some additional things, and they use English language everywhere, because English language is a universal language. We can not learn all the languages. Everyone cannot learn every languages. That's why we choose to English as a English universal language. And nowadays if we are going for the book the ticket, and want to deposit some cash on in a bank, and want to book a ticket of flights, trains, and if we want to visit abroad and another state, so we need a unique language to talk to the peoples and deliver our message to the others. So it is all possible by a universal or a common language. So uh, this is the very important in our life of